Determine whether the sequence diverges or converges. If it converges, find the limit. Solution. So we'll start by taking the limit as n goes to infinity. If we get an answer, in other words, if we get a number, then the sequence converges and the number we get is called the limit. If we get infinity or negative infinity or d and e, then it diverges. So in this case, if you look at the numerator, it's going to oscillate, right? Because this piece here is going to be 1 or negative 1, right? So 1 plus negative 1 to the n. Well, if n is even, this is going to be 1 plus 1, so it's going to be 2. If n is odd, it's 1 minus 1, so it's 0. So the numerator is always 0 or it's 2. And the bottom is getting really, 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 really big because n is going to infinity, and here you have an n squared. So you have a number over something that's getting really, really, really big, right? So like think of like 2 over 10, 2 over 100, right? The bottom gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So these decimals get closer and closer and closer to 0. So the answer here ends up being 0. So the answer here is converges, and the limit here is 0. I hope that made sense.